Hey guys, and welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Matt. This week we're going to be checking out the Oru Kayak Beach LT. I swear it's kayak. Briefcase kayak. Like Transformers, but a kayak. Chances are you've heard of Oru Kayak before, but if not, be prepared to have your mind blown. Oru Kayak makes highly foldable and highly compact and portable kayaks. Perfect for kayak enthusiasts or origami enthusiasts. Both will love it. They have 5 different models ranging from a 20-pound model to a 40-pound model, including a tandem kayak. You could just trick someone into kayaking with you and they could do all the work. Each model is specialized for different water or paddling, anything from fun in the sun recreation to a little bit, more serious waves. Something for everyone. Today we are checking their Beach LT kayak out. The Beach LT is their performance recreational kayak, some serious easy riding stuff. It has an easy entry open cockpit, so it's perfect to bring a small cooler with you or even a small dog, maybe even your kid. It accommodates. No claustrophobia, you can really stretch out, which is great. We hate claustrophobia. At 12 feet, this thing has solid tracking, which means just stable when it's moving. It weighs 26 pounds and can handle up to 300 pounds. The width of this kayak is a little wider, sitting at 28 inches, which gives it better stability than your typical kayak. Oru Kayak's focus with the Beach LT kayak is stability first and foremost. They wanted to make a kayak that really anyone can enjoy, anyone can get into without feeling uncomfortable. But of course, the coolest feature by far is that this kayak can transform into a suitcase. Well, really large suitcase. This thing is great for leisure paddles, fishing, sunbathing in the middle of a lake, really any outings on a tranquil body of water. This is really something that anyone can enjoy, unless you're terrified of water, in which case you're gonna have a terrible time. But you shouldn't be getting a kayak anyway if you hate water. Don't do that. Why? That's on you. This thing is really simple to put together and you don't need to be an origami master to figure it out. Oru Kayak includes an extremely detailed and straightforward instruction manual on putting it together, with diagrams. And after a few uses, I'm sure this is something that you can really get the hang of and not even need the instruction manual to fold up. Maybe the first few times just to get your bearings, but it really is simple after that. The Oru Kayak Beach LT is also surprisingly strong. It's made of a 5mm double-layered, custom-extruded polypropylene. And it has a 10-year UV treatment, protected from the sun, so it doesn't get too bad of a sunburn. This kayak is incredibly puncture-proof and abrasion-resistant, and it's rated for up to 20,000 folds. This thing is built to last. Plus, you don't need a roof rack to carry it around. You can put it in the back of a car or store it in a closet or even check it like luggage when you're headed on a plane. It's easy to clean. You can just wipe it down after every use. Kind of lazy, so I would just hose it down. I don't know if that's actually allowed, full disclosure, but definitely an option. Putting the Beach LT away and storing it is one of the biggest highlights of this because it's one of 5 that Oru makes that you can actually fold it down and store in your closet. So if you do live in a place that you don't have a ton of space to store a kayak, you love kayaking, you wanna get into something different, Oru Kayak is a great thing to pick up because then you can just take it and you can go. Especially if you're in a city, any apartment dwellers, this is gonna be the perfect thing for you to have an opportunity to get outside, get out of the city, get some fresh air. Get on a lake. Just with this one, make sure it's not too crazy. Don't go whitewater kayaking with this. Shouldn't have to tell you that. Really intense whitewater kayaking, not this thing. Lastly, and arguably one of the most important factors of the Beach LT is it's incredibly comfortable. The Beach LT has a foam seat, a fully adjustable backrest, and a fully adjustable footrest, so you can optimize your relaxation. And of course, there's an easy to carry adjustable strap on the kayak, so it makes it super easy to carry around. If you love to go outside, you love the water, you love kayaking, you want to spice up your outdoor experience maybe, but you live in a tiny apartment or a smaller area, storing a kayak could be a pain, Oru Kayak would be the perfect thing. Super easy to transport. You get a kayak. Who doesn't love a kayak? That's it for our first look of Oru Kayak's Beach LT. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope this has been a formative experience for you. I know it has been for me. Learned a lot. Feeling pretty good. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Give us a like. Why not? Ring the bell notification icon on YouTube. It's probably there or there. I don't know. Somewhere on the page. That's it for now. And stay tuned for another Ready Yeti First Look coming at you next week.